Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to get your money from Paysafe. Paysafe is a digital payment service that allows you to store and transfer money online. It's a great way to pay for things online, but it can be a little confusing to figure out how to get your money back out. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of getting your money from Paysafe. I'll also cover some common questions that people have about Paysafe withdrawals. So, let's get started. How to get your money from Paysafe. There are two main ways to get your money from Paysafe. Bank transfer. Credit card. Bank transfer. If you want to transfer your money to your bank account, you'll need to provide your bank name, account number, and routing number. You can find this information on your bank statement or online banking account. Once you have your bank information, log into your Paysafe account and go to the Withdraw section. Enter your bank information and click Withdraw. Your money will be transferred to your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. Credit card. If you want to get your money back on a credit card, you'll need to provide your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV code. You can find this information on your credit card statement. Once you have your credit card information, log into your Paysafe account and go to the Withdraw section. Enter your credit card information and click Withdraw. Your money will be refunded to your credit card within 5 to 10 business days. Common questions. Question: how long does it take to get my money from Paysafe? A. It takes 1 to 3 business days to transfer your money to your bank account and 5 to 10 business days to get your money back on a credit card. Question: is there a fee for withdrawing money from Paysafe? A. There is no fee for withdrawing money from Paysafe. Question: can I withdraw money from Paysafe to a prepaid card? A. Yes, you can withdraw money from Paysafe to a prepaid card. However, you will need to provide the prepaid card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Question: can I withdraw money from Paysafe to PayPal? A. Yes, you can withdraw money from Paysafe to PayPal. However, you will need to provide your PayPal email address. Question: can I withdraw money from Paysafe to Bitcoin? A. No, you cannot withdraw money from Paysafe to Bitcoin. Getting your money from Paysafe is easy. Just follow the steps outlined in this video and you'll be on your way. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.